Welcome to our channel, where we make managing your travel apps simple and straightforward. Today, we are going to show you how to change your full name in the Hopper app on your phone. Whether you need to update your profile for accuracy or personal reasons, this guide will make the process easy to follow. First, open the Hopper app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the profile icon at the top left. Next, find and tap on the Edit Profile button. This option allows you to make changes to your personal details, including your full name. In the fields labeled First Name and Last Name, simply type the new information you want to use. Make sure to enter your name correctly to avoid any issues with bookings or account verification in the future. Then, after entering your updated first and last name, review the information to ensure it is accurate. Finally, tap the Save Profile button to confirm the changes. Your Hopper account will now reflect your updated full name, and you can continue using the app without any problems.